Too long.
Yeah, there we go. Restarted with a new video to head back. See, he's pointing his stick, and she thinks it's a gun. She's looking.
She thinks it's a gun. She knows it ain't no gun.
Oh, she thinks it's a gun, Tom. Hey, Tom, you even fooled me with that one.
Yeah.
I couldn't plug my ears because I had one handful.
It's easy to fool you know what. You know? Mangler making fun of you.
I would never make fun of Mangler. Yeah, nice out here. Yeah, I like the sign you had on that you had about the mating of the deer. It was a joke that you had. I can't remember exactly how it was.
Oh, the corn?
The corn, yeah.
Yeah.
That was funny.
Thinking things will steal you blind.
Yeah, before I venture out into the woods, always make sure that your Argo is at home, and make sure you're not out here. I don't want to spoil, you know, your outing.
Yeah, you wouldn't be spoiling much.
Yeah.
All the deer in the thick swamp country right now until they get settled down again.
Yeah. Hey, you know, the pond water level's staying up nice right now.
Yeah.
I ran it the other day just to kind of warm it up a little.
You
The
don't have evaporation period.
That's right, yeah. Cool enough to where it's staying up
down.
there. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh. And I'm down to a pair of ducks. They have, I think, ran the other male. They were kind of fighting with each other a little bit, so either ran him off or somebody got him, but haven't
Run
seen
over him probably.
haven't seen any evidence. But yeah,
they're walking on that road all the time.
yeah. But anyway, there's a pair right now. They're constantly working the pond now, so it's all good. I'll do a little manicuring over there.
It's just a small tree.
Yeah.